saw something earlier on YouTube in the comments, and it kind of made me laugh. Look at my wife. People were discussing what's true off-grid, what's, you know, you got utilities from the county or the state or the municipality. And then it just made me think, like, people who chose this lifestyle, who chose a lifestyle of off-grid, alternate living, self-sufficient, sustainability, whatever the case may be. We didn't chose it to see who could be the most off-grid or what's true off-grid. We chose it because we wanted to detach. And so it doesn't matter if you have city power, city water, whatever, man. If you're detached and you know, just wanting to enjoy the simple things or the peace or just escape the race for a little while, man, I think this is why we made the decision.
You got puppies. Good mama. It's a good mama. So you guys know we were in the middle of building the shed, trying to insulate it, get ready for Basil to have her puppies. But we came outside in the middle of the night and she was already in labor, had already had 3 of them. So we had to quickly move all our things out of there, set it up, and she ended up having the puppies there. Well, that skyline is beautiful today. And then we started insulating in here, put an AC, and it was just too warm in here, so we just made it a bathhouse for the dogs. And we have a pretty big house that we bought a couple years ago, and put the AC in there, and they've been really comfortable in here. So yeah, now that the dogs are taken care of, we need to figure out a situation to beat the heat. It is currently about 5 a.m., 5:15, and it's already 90 degrees. It's not bad right now, a nice breeze, but as the day go on and it start to creep to 110, 111, you know, everything is doing its best to keep up. So I think today we're gonna go ahead and get us a window unit.
Gia, stop running. Come on here, Jordan. Y'all, come on. I think I know where she at.
She had to run.
Jordan, get out of there. No, don't close it back in now. Come on. Come on here. Okay, Brian, you know what, man. Okay, go ahead.
Jordan, follow me.
But we know we're not getting this one, so we're really trying to decide out of the 6,000 BTU and 5,000. But I think this one say up to 250 square feet. That's our living room. Is that big?
The whole trailer is probably 350 square feet.
That's it?
Yeah.
So we definitely go with this one.
For sure.
Okay, well, it looks like we made a decision. We going with this one. We just trying to supplement our 2 units in the RV.
Yeah, kind of like a hat.
I'm gonna get mad.
We passed up the one from Lowe's to come over here to Walmart. $30 off.
Don't do that.
Same small
That
room
is for
unit.
me.
Okay, Gia, let me see your clothes. Show the world your clothes.
No.
You don't want to show them?
Mm-mm.
Okay, move them then. Came and got the 5,000 BTU. Small room air conditioning. I think this is gonna do what we need. Installation coming soon. Stay tuned.
With this heat blazing up, obviously first priority is safety of the family and keeping it cool, keeping it habitable for us, comfortable. And with 3 AC units on here, it is fighting against the heat. We did install a mesh type style cover over the ACs. We looked at a couple different options, but it was just kind of getting more and more expensive, a little bit more than we wanted to cough up at that time. So, you know, we decided to just not go that route right now and just kind of push through this summer. So today I noticed that the refrigerator unit was definitely struggling today. I mean, really struggling. So we were actually we went to Lowe's to buy a mini fan, a mini AC that, you know, uses the water and ice cubes to cool, to put in the freezer, when I got a text message from my sister-in-law asking me if I wanted an industrial size freezer. I said, of course I do. Of course I do. So thank God. Shout out to her for thinking about us. And it was just, I mean, the timing is impeccable.
Yeah, impeccable.
I mean, you couldn't ask for better timing. I probably should have got some of the struggles that it took us to get this huge, probably 500-pound freezer off the trailer, rolled in here and set up with just my tiny self and my husband. But we did it, a little ingenuity, and we got it covered. Yeah, I mean, it's out here in the heat. We're gonna come up with a solution to cover it, keep it protected from the direct sunlight, protected from the heat as much as possible. But I can't thank God enough right now. Very grateful for that. And like we said, obviously our number one priority is safety of the family, and never too prideful, ever. If it gets too hot, I will go get in hotel room, Airbnb for a couple of weeks, whatever we need to do to make sure we're all comfortable and safe, for sure. So, but today we did end up getting an additional AC unit that we're going to install in this window. Tomorrow, time passed us, got the best of us today when we went pick up that freezer. So yeah, we'll get that posted up tomorrow.
To combat the Arizona heat, we've been having 110-degree weather for the last 10 days. We run 2 of our 3 AC units. We also have to power our dogs' AC units in their homes. And so just to kind of give a breakdown, while running 2 units when it's 110 degrees, we're able to maintain a temperature between 83 and 85 degrees inside of the RV. So what we decided to do is add a window unit to kind of supplement and try to take some of the pressure off our ACs, and also just try to get it a little bit more comfortable inside the RV. We have a funny shaped window. It's kind of rounded at the bottom, so the regular fittings that come with the window unit AC, it's not gonna fit on right here. So I had to cut the swimming noodles, sorry. So what we did was improvise. We got a couple swimming noodles.
I don't want to make a lot.
Okay, I'm gonna get you another one. So we cut the swimming noodles and improvise. We're just trying to write down a snug fit for the winter AC. All right, bam. We know it's not the best looking, but it's practical and it works. And so, just to sum it all up, we use 2 swimming noodles, cut them in half, and just use them to fit around the outside the window unit. It's actually a pretty good fit. We're bracing it with these 2 2x4s, and yeah, man, this is just another addition to try to beat that Arizona heat, man. 110 plus for the last 7 days, man. We had to do something. This was our supplement. Thank you, baby. This was our supplement, and you know, hopefully it'll help us cool off a little bit.